Hello, you guys. Welcome back to this channel. काफी time हो गया है. I have not posted long format videos here, but better late than never. I had asked you guys to send me some questions that would let you get to know me a little better, some questions that you've been meaning to ask me. I've selected 10 of them. So let's get into it. चलो. Okay, I got my iPad. काफी सारे questions आए थे. The 10th question is the most asked question. जब भी I do a Q&A, this has to be there. So wait till the end. Question 1. Describe the moment you realized you are famous. So we were at Mumbai Airport, Terminal 2, and we were in line to check in. And वहाँ पे during check-in, one person who was in the line with us, the girl, she asked her, "Excuse me, are you Team Nach?" Didn't know Nicole, she didn't know Sonal. She just knew us as Team Nach. And that was the first moment that I realized that boss people know us. Let's get into the second one. If you had to choose a different career, what would it be and why? I think I would want to do something related to events, managing events, putting like shows together, like do something which is related to creating like a big production of events somewhere close to dance. Or I would really like to have a company of my own which dealt in like women's health or some women related company, something to do with women. I don't know whether it's women's health or women's clothing or something women related. Like I would want to have my own business, which is a very female forward business. Or I might even want to do something in travel. Not be a travel influencer per se, but something where my job required me to travel to different hotels in different countries and maybe review them, maybe as a writer or a journalist. But I don't write as much, but just would like travel. Okay, I give you guys three different now career options. कुछ ढूंढो मेरे लिए, just in case this doesn't work out. This is quite heavy. Are you less passionate about dance since it became your career? This is a very interesting question. Am I less passionate? No. Do I think a lot more before dancing or before creating? Yes. Pehle, when dance was not my career, I didn't have to think about how my dance is going to be received. राइट अभी इतना जजमेंट होता है कि यार दिस कोरियोग्राफी इज टू इजी और यार कुछ नया दिखाओ stuff like that. I'm always now trying to create something which is slightly different than what I have previously made. I don't post very regularly dance content, if you guys have noticed. And I know you guys have noticed, and I know you guys have complained, ki, why is it not so regular? That's because I'm thinking, like, I take time to really think, process, figure what song do I want to do? Do I really like this song? And how do I conceptualize it? How do I make it different and interesting for me as an artist to create it? And how is it going to be interesting for you when you watch it? Will you be smiling when you watch this? Will it make you think? These are the things that come in my head now when I dance and when I create stuff. Question number 4. Would you ever consider moving abroad? To live, I have considered it. I have really considered it. I have traveled to Canada quite a few times because of my sister. Recently went to the US also. I have considered living abroad, but one thing I have realized is that it's not easy. We are so spoiled apne country mein because you have Didi who comes for cooking, you have Didi who comes for cleaning. You can get like Zomato, you can get like Zepto, you can get Swiggy, Instamart, jo bhi hai, like at the click of your fingers. But living abroad means you don't have these luxuries. So this is that's the one thing that really maybe makes me reconsider that would I move abroad? Maybe I can move for like 3 months, 4 months, go for 3 months, and then come back. But will I go there and move forever? Maybe not. Maybe not. Question 5. Does your biological clock ever scare you? No, it doesn't actually. Um, this is something I've not really spoken about, but I'm not so sure about whether or not I want to have children in my life. So that biological clock scaring me, it's not there. I have a lot of faith in God above that tomorrow, whenever in the future, if it is in my destiny to have a child, होगा. If it is not, नहीं होगा. If I still want, there are other ways. Adopt कर लेंगे. So that way, that's how I think. So this biological clock thing doesn't scare me. But if you're someone who is in their 30s, who doesn't have a partner yet, who wants to plan for the future, there are so many more options, girl. If it's scaring you and if you have the funds and if you can do it, then egg freezing is an option. Consider कर लो, देख लो, look into it, research, do your research. What did you study and what is your qualification? I did management studies, and that's my qualification, bachelor's in management studies. I haven't done my master's. I was in fact studying for my master's, but then I felt really sick. I couldn't give the exams, and then I just never went back to completing it because those masters are also not like an MBA sort of a thing. It was MCom. मैं क्यों कर रही थी? I was doing it just because I wanted a master's degree on my what do you say, as my qualification, on my qualification certificate. But yeah, I've done my bachelor's, and it's fine. Any which ways, what I studied and what I'm doing right now is very different. I think the one thing that really gave me the experience to do what I do right now in any way, shape, or form is the work experience that I did. So I worked in multiple companies and I did different jobs before starting off my own business. And those mentors, what I learned from those companies and those seniors, is what has helped me take care of my business now. Question number 7. Do you cook and what is your favorite dish? I don't cook. That is a life skill which I don't have. See, there are 2 to 3 life skills which I don't have, which I think I should really, really work on in the coming year. And I think I should make it a resolution. Number one, I don't cook, but I love to eat. Number two, I don't drive, which I should learn. I've always been passenger princess. And number three, I don't read as much as I would like. Actually, I don't read enough at all. So these 3 life skills I want to work on in the coming months. I'm going to work on these things. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish is chicken roast curry, which my mother makes. It's a Mangalorian style roast curry. When I say roast, I mean it's made of coconut milk. It's a Mangalorian style thing, and you eat it with shavio. Shavio is like sevaiya types, but it's made out of rice. So rice का dough बनता है. It goes into one, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, one machine sort of a thing. उसमें से these rice noodles come out. So it's called shavio, and you eat it with roast. The dish is called shavio roast. But I like the one which my mother makes only. Only. मुंह में पानी आ गया. How do you manage friendships? That's the 8th question. Wow, heavy. How do I manage friendships? Very easy, very simple. Once in a while, keep in touch, message, hi, how are you? Kya kar rahe ho? Plan meetups. You don't end up meeting your friends as regularly as you used to when you were in your 20s. Now everyone's busy, everybody has families, everybody's trying to figure out work, do better, people are traveling. I'm traveling so much. But the one thing I realize is that everybody has become so understanding. Pick your few friends who really understand you, and that's just like the best. Just have few friends, but quality friends. Best. Something you feared as a child, which feels less scary now. I was scared of my parents as a child. I'm the elder daughter. firstborn, so I was always taught to listen to my parents. So growing up, naturally, you do get scared of, how do I say something back to my parents. So I used to be very scared of that. I don't care right now. I say anything and everything to my parents, and I realize they're very, very cool people. Another thing that I used to fear as a child is just standing up for myself. I think this also comes from there, standing up for myself and being like, this is what I want. I used to get scared to even say it and put it out there. And I used to be very shy in some situations. Abhi to hado. All right, that brings us to the end of this chit chatty session. The last and the final question was, Didi, when are you getting married? Dude, if I had a penny for every time this question was asked, guys, I am getting married on. Fooled you. Go and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys soon. Bye. If you want me to do more videos like this, drop a comment and let me know, and I'll be answering more questions. Bye.